Today we're going to be talking about IBM to Fabric, centered around the end of life of Db2 Web Query.
With Db2 Web Query for I came the graphical interface, so the ability to actually start producing charts and graphs and those kind of things over that data. But all of that capability has gone away with the removal of that product from the marketplace. So what are people doing instead? Well, principally the thing they don't want to do, which is take data off the platform and then view that data elsewhere. If we can open up with connectors that securely allow us to do that, that has to be a great answer.
On the analytics for IBM, which comes with a connector that easily connects and extracts data in an incremental fashion from the Db2 database. We have a secure gateway where we compress and encrypt the data before the raw data is shipped into Microsoft Fabric. We've got a pipeline here that's extracting a number of different tables out of the IBM, converting it to ASCII so that we can read the data easily. The output from here is a set of financial reports that we can interact with. So we've got balance sheets, we've got profit and loss statements, we've got the ability to be able to do reporting across many companies in a way that you'd expect from a modern analytics platform. We also have the ability to interact with our data through chat interfaces, right? So if I ask the agent's going to generate a query, interact with the data, and is going to come back with a response that allows you to work with the data in a way that you really only can when you have the data available in a modern analytics platform.